guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just how I refresh my wash days. I don't typically do much to my hair unless I have something planned. So after I wash my hair, I go into these 2 braids and it lasts me until whenever I decide to do my hair again. So it's been like this for probably like about 3 days now. So I'm just going to show you guys how I refresh my hair just to look presentable, I guess. So I took my shower. Let's quickly show you guys the products I'm going to go through, that I'm going to be using, and then we can just go from there. So I'm going to be using my go-to Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. I love this. And then I'm just going to go in with the Do Grow hair oil, and then for my edges I'm just going to go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel, and then that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh. I probably end up splitting my braids into just 2, so 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and instead of making this a whole long video and talk through, I'm just going to speed up the process as usual. And then hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get to mention that I am going to be using some oil, and it says oils and butter. This is 100% Jamaican Black Castor Oil Coconut. It says for hair and skin, but I only use it on my hair. I'm just going to put some of that in.
be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Screw wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
There we go, and I am done. I just put this on just to put everything together. I usually leave it on for like 10 minutes the most if I'm doing something in between, but this is the finished look. You can always end up putting, instead of 2, you can put it in 1, but this is just to last me for a couple more days to find like what I want to do to my hair. But I hope you guys like the video, and come back for more. Bye guys.
How can we look the other way? Sun is